Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to convert AVI file into MP4 file. Now the reason I want to convert AVI file into MP4 file is because sometimes when you record your video in AVI file and you want to edit them in your favorite editing software, sometimes the software may not recognize those AVI file. Now quick important thing to also note that AVI file was created by Microsoft, and not every editing software can read those AVI files. So in this video I'm going to go to my computer right now and show you guys how to convert these AVI file into MP4 files so that you can use in your favorite software or video editing program. So I'm going to show you guys how to basically do that. So guys, I'm going to go right to my computer right now and show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to pull up my web browser and I'm here on VideoProc site right now. So the software that I'm going to use for this process is VideoProc. Now shout out to VideoProc for being a huge sponsor on my channel. So what you're going to do is to click on download and download this software. You can also look in the link in my description to download this software. So once you have downloaded the software guys, what you're going to do is install it on your computer. I'm not going to install this on my computer because I already have this software installed. Now once you have installed the software, what you're going to do is to pull up your VideoProc. Now once your VideoProc has pulled up, what you're going to do is to click on this video icon right here. Now once you click on this video icons, what you want to do is locate your AVI file. Now once you locate the AVI file, you can drag and drop it onto the software. Now once you drag and drop it onto the software, you're going to click on video right here and you're going to choose the MP4. So right here is the MP4. So I'm going to click on MP4 and I'm going to run it. And now this file right here is converted into MP4. As you can see up here, the AVI to MP4, and it's very simple and easy. Alright, let me move this over to the screen. So yes guys, this is my file, and as you can see, this file right here is my, let me check the properties to see. So this file was my AVI file, which is 57.6 megabytes, and this file now is my MP4, which I just converted, and as you can see it is 121 megabytes. So you realize that the AVI file is a much shorter because the AVI file is basically a compressed file of the MP4 file. So basically the quality is still the same, so you can now use the MP4 file of this video clip right here to actually edit your videos, which is basically take you from all those stress in one to edit your videos in your favorite software. So guys, if this video was helpful, remember to smash a like button, subscribe to this channel for more tips like this, and as always, thanks for watching guys, and I see you guys in my next video. As always, peace out.